Good morning. So, as we are dealing in the course, as we are dealing the course of microprocessor and microcontroller during this particular semester, certain topics and certain unit we are planning to go for a fifth class mode. So that will try to reduce our teaching time as well as the learning time by yourself inside during the class, so that more attention can be given to all the learners. So in this aspects, we were going to give the topic programming of 8051 using the flip mode. So mainly the flip mode of class. What does it mean in the sense? The normal traditional way of conveying certain things inside the class is like chalk and board, or we will try to give the 15 minutes screen time has been allotted to us, and we will try to manage the concepts, and we will try to engage yourself inside the class, and we'll try to convince your level of understanding. But rather than the traditional teaching method, there are many methods of teaching is available. One of such teaching methodology we are going to emphasize here is flip class. It's nothing but a pedagogical approach in which direct instructions will be completely eradicated, and in which a group of learning space to the individuals will be provided, so that the dynamic environment will always help us, the learners, to learn a new things, rather than a teacher like a monopoly of teaching method will be tried to completely eradicate it, and a group of learners coming into a dynamic environment and learning new things will always give a fruitful delivery of the content, and the outcome of this particular thing will be really and remarkable changes will be able to be faced. There are many subjects and many universities have already implemented this, and we are just trying it out, and we are finding out how are we going to focus on that particular strategy. There are many ways in which the curriculum can be implemented. So one of the common and traditional way of implementing this is we will try to give you the pre-recorded things as a videos, or by using a text, or by using some kind of an materials will be given to yourself well in advance, maybe 2 or 3 days or even by week before. Whenever you have a free hours during the college time or in the home, you just go through that particular videos and try to make yourself to understand what is there in the video or in the materials which have been provided to you. So based on your ability of the self-learning, we will try to understand that, we will try to make us, the facilitators will make the facilitator to know whether the learners have really gone through the video or not, by means of small activities like quizzes, or by means of group activities can be done inside the class, maybe after a week of the information provided to you, to ensure that the videos are being are seen and learned by the learners. This is important. Why? Because rather than the teacher going to your board and giving you a brief lecture onto it, or giving a presentation inside the class, may not be reaching the learners to 100%. But rather, when we say a self-learning mode, each learners will try to analyze the things and try to make themselves to know what it is. So when a new technology or a new methodology is being followed, we have a small uh, craze will be there to know what it is. So that is what I'm going to do. I'm going to trigger your level of thinking and level of learning in this particular aspects. I expect all the learners to go through those particular videos in a fifth class mode of teaching for the upcoming topics, and try to make yourself comfortable with it, and you will be really enjoying it than the traditional method what is being going to be adopted in the further classes for the further topics. And you understand certain things that we are going to deal a particular topic or a unit only in this fifth class mode. The other topics are all be discussed in will be discussed in the traditional mode. Though the materials which for the flip class mode is a programming of 8051, and you know the programming of 8051 needs to know the basic knowledge about instruction set, addressing modes, the architecture details of the microcontroller what we are using it, And all these things will be given you a detailed sketch of these things in a form of a PPT, voice over PPT will be given over there, so that you can able to go through those PPTs and try to make yourself compel, and then many examples will be given to you. As it is a simulation based platform we are choosing, I'll try to give you the software which is going to really help you in this particular aspect, and it's a free software, and I'll try to give you the steps involved in installation as well as step involved in running a small program, so that the complete manual or complete picture of the particular thing will be provided to you. You just go through it and just follow what it is there, and make yourself comfortable in understanding the concept, and try to make yourself to type the program and execute the. And these materials will be available in the will be available in the intranet. You can able to, or a copy of the link will be given to you. You can use the particular link and make yourself comfortable in accessing all those things. And we also will try to ensure that whatever you have learned through the videos or through materials which we provided, to ensure that each individual learners have learned it, a mean of a group activity will be done inside the class, and will further enhance the knowledge learned by each learners. So make yourself ready for that particular activities also, and that activity will certainly make yourself to enhance your skills by two. One, by using a self-learning mode, and the group involvement of both the managing of groups, and try to adjust your mold your conceptual view in understanding a particular concepts. A video link will be provided. My YouTube channel link will be provided. You can able to go through, and you can able to access it anytime whenever you want. And the post of this particular URL will be done to each learners at the predefined time. Will also be circulated very soon.